Back then, I got scammed sa credit card. And ayun, here's what happened. I just want to share it with you. So around 3 p.m., someone called me, an unknown number. Nagpakilala siya na she is from BPI. And ito yung script niya. So first, tinonfirm niya kung dumating na yung card. Second, tinanong niya kung na-activate na yung card. Once na na-confirm ko na yun, bigla niyang in-introduce na BPI is giving out rewards sa mga newly approved credit card holders. Bilang first time card holder, I got excited. So ayun, sabi niya I will be receiving worth 5,000 na voucher. Bukod doon, meron pang another 5,000 na voucher that can be converted into cash. After nun, meron pang another set of rewards like payong, ganun. After nyo naman introduction, dali-dali siya magpo-proceed sa pagkuha ng mga information mo. And here is the creepy part. Alam niya yung account numbers. Babanggitin niya sa'yo yung account number mo. Babanggitin niya rin yung validity. Papakonfirm niya sa'yo. Here's the part where you have to be extra careful. Yung mga phrasings nila. Kasi yung CVV, di ko alam na CVV yung tinatanong niya. Ang sabi niya lang, ang phrasing niya lang doon is, can you confirm kung pang ilan kayo sa mga na-approve na nag-apply for this credit card for this month? Sabi ko, hindi ko ata alam kung saan ko makukuha yung information na yun. And then sabi niya yung nasa likod lang ng card yung last 3 digits. So you need to be extra careful kasi iniiba nila yung mga phrasing nila. Tulad nun yung sa CVV, instead of saying CVV, they will say na pang ilan kayo sa mga na-approve na credit card holders, sa mga nag-apply for credit card. Tapos another thing is yung OTP. They won't say na OTP. Sasabihin nila, oh, you will receive a message from BPI which contains a 6-digit secret code. Sabi nga. So ayun. But basically, ayun, OTP yung hinihingi nila doon. And of course, given na first timer ka, you wouldn't know that, di ba? I don't know, pero back then ako, that day, I was very clueless. There was a part during the phone call, sabi ko, I'm sorry but I'm not sure if you're really from BPI. Can you confirm that you're from BPI? And then, yung sinabi niya is, yes sir, in a few minutes I will be sending you a message from us which contains 6-digit code. But yung focus ng isip ko noon is yung code, 6-digit code, and it is from BPI. Yun lang yung mga confirmations na hinahanap ko noon. So ayan, nakareceive nga ako ng message, and I was so focused dun sa BPI na word, and then dun sa 6-digit codes, to the point na hindi ko na napansin na purchase alerts na pala sila. So ayun, you need to be very careful dun sa part na yun kasi they really changed their phrasings. Iniiba nila yung mga phrasing nila. They won't ask it straight away from you, yung mga details like OTP and CVV and other details of your cards. They will change the phrasing. So ayun, nag-proceed lang siya sa pag-enter ng mga details ng cards. They use Grab, I think. Nakita ko yung mga transactions is for Grab and from Starbucks. So ayun. And usually sa mga ibang cards meron kasing parang a layer of security wherein kapag umabot ng 10k yung transaction, parang tatawag at yung bank sa'yo. And they are very aware with this one, so hindi nila papaabutin ng 10k. But it's really close to 10k, something like 9,900 something, 9,950, something like that. To avoid syempre yung layer of security ng mga banks. So ayun, you need to be very careful with that. Ito yung mga points that you really have to observe. Kapag unclear yung in-explain na mga rewards or perks sa'yo, automatic scam yun. Isa sa mga realization ko back then is that na-pressure ako. She sounds so professional. Pressure ka. So you will give what she's asking for. So something I learned is to learn to slow down. Don't get pressured. Kung meron kang hindi naiintindihan, be ruthless in asking.